You never see where they tear the leather. One, right?
Oh, this is good.
It's fried rice.
It's fried rice. It's fried rice.
This is, we are trying to do the same creamy salad, just like the first one.
Fruit salad.
This is creamy fruit salad. You put your pineapple, your cucumber, your mango, your watermelon, your apple, your guava, if you get your coconut chips. You add everything. Put your grapes.
Go out and let's mix it. Wow,
This is condensed milk.
This is sweet. Yes, that's how it's meant to be.
Add yogurt.
okay, now what is it?
Yes.
Hey, are this Irish steak?
Jennifer, cucumber fly. We go blind to don't worry. We lick this shit. This is what we lick. You get that? I mean, you can do something for us. You can do something for us.
Abby? So, why you don't know why when they lick this shit? Yeah, I do know this life is good on a Friday. Okay,
How about that grape? Let me grape.
oh my god!
Are you serious?
No.
Okay. This is just Victoria. Let's happen.